database. Here we're running on the actual VM itself. So if we run uptrack, which is Ksplice, it's showing me that there's nothing installed, and we're running on the 0.8 kernel. So what we're going to do is we're going to run a script over here. It's just a select script that runs a load of queries one after the other, but it's running on the same VM. So we'll set that running. So I use sudo because it's going to be run as root. Uptrack upgrade, so that's going to apply all those patches that are available.
Does it take time?
Not very long. So it's found all the ones that we want to install, so yes. This is still running.
Oh yeah, the script is still running.
And you'll notice that the kernel is now a 147 kernel.
Yeah, I can see. Wow.